Letter A, the rational number represent on the corresponding number line here what? He give us number line and draw this point between -5 and -4 and asked me about the result. It will be -3/2 or 5 and 2/3 or -4 and 2/3 or -5/3. This number lies between -5 and -4. Then we can write -4 and 2/3. Choose this result about this example. Okay. Question letter B. 12 and space are relative prime numbers. 12 and what? Relative prime numbers is meaning the greatest common factor between two numbers. It will be 1. He give us here. Look at with me. The choosing 12 and space. Okay. Asked about 16 or 15 or 35 or 20. We know 16 and 12, the greatest common factor between them equal 4. And 12 and 15, greatest common factor between them it will be 3. And 35 and 12, the greatest common factor between them it will be 1. So you must choose 35. But 20 and 12, the greatest common factor between them it will be 4. So you must choose 35 because 12 and 35, the greatest common factor between them equal 1. Because 12 and 35 we called it what? Call them 12 and 35 are relatively prime numbers. Question letter C. The opposite of 6 greater than what? Okay. In this example, he asked about the opposite of 6. The opposite of 6 it will be -6. -6 greater than what? -6 greater than -7. So you must choose letter here, choose about letter C, choose -7, okay? The result will be -7. Question letter C, okay? Question letter D. 3/5 or -3/5 or -5/3. We know this is a positive. Any positive numbers, it will be greater than negative. This number greater than this number. Question letter E. -4 is to right of space in the number line. We have number line here. Okay. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -4 is right of -5. -4 is to the right of -5 on the number line. Okay, choose -5. Next question. Second, complete the following. The additive inverse space of space is itself. The additive inverse of 0 is 0. Additive inverse of 0, it will be what? It will be 0, okay? Letter A, 0, okay? Letter B, -5/4 equal space. You must convert this number in the decimal form. He tell us his example between two parentheses here. Convert to decimal form is convert how? By multiplication numerator and denominator by 25. Write 100 in denominator and 5 times 25 equal what? 5 times 5 equal 25. Write 5 and carry up 2. 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 2 equal 12. And write the negative here. Write negative and 1.25 because we divided by 100. So you must put the point after two places. Okay. Question letter C. Space multiplication by space plus space equal 2 multiplication by 8 plus 2 multiplication by 6. He used here distributive properties. Look at with me. In this example, we have number repeated, which is a digit repeated here. 2 was repeated. The repeated number, you must write it out. It's the highest common factor between two numbers. And the remainder here about first term, it will be 8. And the remainder about second term here, it will be 6. He used here distributive properties. 2 times 8 here and 2 times 6 here. Question letter D. Space is a number whose prime factors of 3, 2, 7 We can find the number by multiplication, using the multiplication all factors, prime factors here. 3 times 2 times 7, 3 times 2 equals 6, 6 times 7 equals 42. Then you can write here 42. This question here, letter E. 3 and 1 over 5 plus here space equal 8 and 1 over 2. We can find the number here by finding the difference between two numbers. Can you find the difference between two numbers here? You can write 3 and 1.5, convert it to decimal number by multiplication by 2 numerator and numerator. It will be 3 and 2 over 10. It will be 3.2, because 2 over 10 it will be 2 tenths, plus space equal 8 and half here it will be 0.5, 0.5 plus 8 will be 8.5. We can find the difference between two numbers, right? 8.5 subtract by 3.2, and find the difference between two numbers here from left hand side. 8.5 we call this the main hand, and 3.2 the subtrahend hand. 8 minus 3 equal 5, 0.5 minus 2 equal 3. Then the result will be 5 and 3 tenths. Or you can write here in this example 5 and 3 over 10. You can write this number in this form, mixed number, or in decimal number as you like. Okay, it's correct. Next question here, third, find the result. Letter A. Here he won't find what about this example. Find the results. He must add two mixed numbers here. Letter A. We have 3 and 5 over 8 plus 4 and 1 over 6. We can find this number by write the least common multiplication between 8 and 6. 8 can't be divided by 6. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 8 equals 24. Then 24 is the least common multiplication between two denominators here. We can write 24 here and 3 outside. 8 times 3 equals 24, and 3 times 5 equals 15. And then write 4 outside. Write 24 in the numerator. 4 times 6 equals 24, and 4 times 1 equals 4. And then 4 plus 3 equals 7. Alright, 24 in the numerator. 15 divide plus 4. 82 4 equals 19. Then the result will be 7 and 19 over 24. It's letter A. Okay. Letter B, we can find the result about this example. The difference between 4.5 and 1 and 3 over 4. Okay. Look at with me here about letter B. We have here 4.5 subtract by 1 and 3 over 4. We can find the least common multiplication between two denominators. 4 can divide by 2, then 4 is the least common multiplication between two denominators. Write 4 here and 4 outside. 2 times 2 equal 4, and 1 times 2 equal 2. Subtract by, write 1 here and write 4, and then 3. Okay, 1 minus 4 equals 3, but 2 minus 3 we can't do it, so you must borrow 1 from 4 here. Borrow 1 from 4. 4 will be 3. Okay, look at with me about this step. Okay, right, 4 will be 3, and borrow 1 from 4. 4 will be what? Will be 3, and we find the number in the simplest form. Write 3 here, and we know 4 equal what? 4 equal 4 over 4, and this number I borrow 1 from 4, it will be 3, and 1 equal 4 over 4. You must add 4 over 4 to this number, 2 over 4, it will be 6 over 4. Or using another method, 4 will be 3, subtract 1 from 4, and 8 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, you must know these steps. Okay, again, 4 and 2 over 4 subtract 1 and 3 over 4, we can't do it, so you must borrow 1 from 4, will be 3, and 1 equal 4 over 4. 82 2 over 4, it will be 6 over 4. Subtract by 1 and 3 over 4. 3 minus 1 equal 2, and write 4 in the numerator. 6 minus 3 equal 3. Then the result will be 2 and 3 over 4. Next question here. Question number 2. We have Venn diagram. He asked about the two numbers are what? First circle and second circle. Venn diagram here. Write 2 and 2, 2, 3, 3, and the last digit here 5. You want to find the two numbers. First number here and second. The first number 2 by 2 by 2 by 3, we have the prime factors of the first number here. 2 times 2 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8, 8 times 3 equal 24. Then the first number here will be 24. And second number here, 2 times 3 equal 6, 6 times 3 equal 18. 18 times 5 equal 90. Then we have two numbers here, 24 and 90. And we want to find the greatest common factor between two numbers. Can you tell me the greatest common factor here? We can find the greatest common factor between two numbers by look at this part. We can find the greatest common factor. It will be 2 by 3. 2 times 3 equal 6. And the least common multiplication between two numbers, it will be 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 by 3 by 5. Okay, write 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 by 3 by 5. Okay, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, and 3 times 3 equal 9. 9 times 5 equal 45. Okay, and then find the result. 5 times 8 equal 40. Write 0 and carry a 4. 4 times 8 equal 32. 32 plus 4 equal 36. Then the result will be 360. Okay.